mommies! As you have noticed mga mommies sa mga videos ko talaga, my kiddos just goes directly to their indoor playground. At least okay na yan mga mommies kasi nandito lang kami sa loob and nakakapag-exercise din sila, especially dito sa bugoy na to. And mga mommies, while busy si little man, mag-prepare na tayo ng kakainin nila this morning. So, bati-bati ng itlog, season it. Actually, hindi naman ako gumagamit talaga ng oil masyado, so I just use butter para diretsong may lasa na. What we're gonna do pala mga mommies, be fried rice. Siyempre, version ko na naman to kasi kung ano-ano ang mga tira-tira sa ref, yun ang gagamitin ko. Mga mommies, you can either use salted or unsalted butter. But for the video here, I am using unsalted butter.
Need the butter anymore. Thank you so much. Okay? No need for butter. Close the refrigerator now. I need this. I need this though. I need this. Huh? The beef sukiyaki. Come on. Okay, close na. Close na. Close na. Close na.
To make fried rice, what I do, I cook separately all the included ingredients. I made scrambled egg first. Then, niluto ko yung rice with butter and season it with salt. Then, niluto ko rin yung beef sukiyaki na tira-tira. Then, I cut it into small pieces para maging bite-size lang siya for my kiddos. I included the tira-tirang chicken pala from yesterday. Then, piniprepare ko na yung food niya. And since favorite niya ang cream cheese, gawan natin siya ng cream cheese dip. Food is ready na mga mommies for my little one. I actually just leave the food in front of him and hinahayaan ko siyang kumuha lang ng food na gusto niya. It is also part of baby-led weaning. Gising na din yung panganay ko. Now we are ready to eat. Good? Masaya na naman si mommy nyo kasi natuwa ang aking kiddos sa food nila. Diba nakakatuwa ang mga mommies pag ganito sila kumain? Kahit mabagal, at least kumakain. So now magpe-prepare na tayo para sa guli-guli watching ginganggu ng little boy na ito. So fresh na yung ating little boy. Ready na tayo para mag-nap time. So breastfeed muna tayo mga mommies. Till our next, sana nag-enjoy kayo. And sana may nakapulutan na naman kayo ng aral for another hack of sinangag. Again, God bless! Bye! Mommies, may pahabol ako. If you haven't yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's TONYA and to my other socials. That's Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and YouTube. Again, that's TONYA Guzman. Thank you so much for watching mga mommies. Till our next!